Hello guys, welcome to channel. My name is Son and you are watching Coding for Beginners. In today's video, we have make a app in which first we have enter side of any shape, then we will get parameter and area of that shape. So I have completed half of designing, not whole. So first I will okay no yes, this will okay. First I will change the color of that text color of that label from here. Text color I will to according to RBG. Like this, and parameter name text to blue color and text of area to red to blue and this is to red. Yes, this is to red. Now the height and the width of the neighbors on the 4 okay. Now the font family is to Arial. Now alignment is equal to center. This is not important for all. So now font size is equal to 15. 15. Yes. Now. Yes. Now. Can I ask you a question? Can I ask? So the question is, what design is remaining in this code? Sorry, designing. What type of design is remaining? If you know the answer, write in comment box. So the answer is the button. The button is remaining. Yes? If you know, write in answer in comment box. Yes, the button is here. The button text I will set here to yes, text color to white and background color to green. And button radius to 5 10, 14. Yes, 14. Now, now we have completed all the design of that app. Now we make an code. Now, first in code, we want on event block. Yes, we want on event. So on event when, what is the idea of that button one? Okay, then button when button one when button one click. Now when button one click, now I have entered in that on event button one clicked. Okay, so how it is visible here? See here, but normally on event block is like that. Yes, this is because I have not entered the function. Yes, this is important to enter the function. If you not enter the function, the on event block will not visible. So first I remove the function. Now you can see here how it is visible. I not want this, I want this. Yes. Now under the on event block, ID is button 1. Okay, button 1 click. Function is equal to set text. Here set text to ID is pyramid. ID is labeled to and tax is from multiplication operator from maths. We enter here that get number block. Now you can see here the duck command in block. It is not visible. Okay, this is because get number block is not should here. Now set text ID is to erase the text. Multiplication operator. Here we enter get number ID is text input 1. Okay, this is text input 1. Text input 1. Not working properly in text. Now I am working now. Set text. ID is to open to multiplication operator. Get number. Number. ID is to text input 1. Okay, now how it's work? One minute. No, it's never 3. Yes, now. Yeah, it's just working. 44 is there. Now it's working. So now the code is for area. Now the same is for area 1 minute. Yes, now same code is for neighbor area. Set text. ID is to neighbor 5. Multiple operator. Multiplication operator. Now get number. Now text input 1. Yes. Now it's working or not? See. Enter 4. Calculate. Yes, 16 is working. Now show in code. Sorry, text like this. So now your area and parameter measuring app is ready. Enjoy that, and if you like the video, then subscribe our channel and like the video. Bye. We will meet in next video. Bye bye.